Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions.
Today, we have an exciting showdown between two foldable treadmills that are perfect for those who want to stay active while working or watching TV. On the left, we have the Redliro under-desk treadmill, and on the right, we have the Rhythm Fun foldable treadmill.
Let's dive into the comparisons and find out which one comes out on top.
Let's kick things off with the price.
The Redliro under-desk treadmill comes in at $469, while the Rhythm Fun foldable treadmill is priced at $369. Now, I don't know about you, but I love saving money.
So, in terms of price, the Rhythm Fun gets the point.
When it comes to the motor and noise, both treadmills have their own unique features.
The Redliro under-desk treadmill boasts a quiet and powerful 2.25 HP motor, ensuring a smooth and silent workout experience. Plus, its shock-absorbent system reduces noise and improves stability.
On the other hand, the Rhythm Fun foldable treadmill comes with a powerful 2.5 HP motor and a spacious running area. While both treadmills excel in this category, the Redliro takes the crown for its impressive quiet motor.
Sorry, Rhythm Fun. Now let's talk about functionality. The Redliro under-desk treadmill is a two-in-one marvel. You can use it as a traditional treadmill with a handrail for jogging and running, or fold up the handrail and place it under your standing desk for a walking workout while you work. Talk about multitasking. On the other side, the Rhythm Fun foldable treadmill offers a wide running belt and the convenience of controlling it through an app.
You can even join course training and track your progress.
In terms of functionality, it's a close call, but the Redliro's versatility steals the show. Ease of use is a crucial factor to consider. The Redliro under-desk treadmill is easy to assemble and has a compact size, making it perfect for small spaces. Its multi-function display and remote control allow you to track your time, calories, and even adjust your mode easily.
Meanwhile, the Rhythm Fun foldable treadmill arrives fully assembled, saving you time and effort. It's a tie in this category since both treadmills excel in their own ways. Last but not least, let's talk about customer satisfaction.
The Redliro under-desk treadmill has received rave reviews for its sturdy build and quiet operation. Customers love how it helps them stay active without disturbing their neighbors.
On the other hand, the Rhythm Fun foldable treadmill is dedicated to providing high-quality treadmills and exceptional after-sales service.
Both treadmills have satisfied customers, so it's a tie in this category.
After comparing the Redliro under-desk treadmill and the Rhythm Fun foldable treadmill, we have a clear winner.
The Redliro takes the crown with its quiet motor, versatility, and overall customer satisfaction.
But remember, the best treadmill for you ultimately depends on your specific needs and preferences. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more product comparisons and smart shopping tips.
Stay smart, stay savvy, and we'll see you next time.